A useful feature in Google Drive is the ability to filter results in your Drive based on a variety of different data points. And if your Drive is anything like mine, a lot of times it gets really confusing and messy, and you have documents all over the place, and you have things shared with you, and sometimes people don't put descriptive things in the title, and so sometimes you lose documents. But if you go up to the search bar and you choose the little drop down arrow next to the search bar, it's going to give you a window where you can tell Drive how you want to search your documents. So you can search, number one, by document type and say, okay, I only want to look at text documents. So that'll filter out anything that's not a text document. You can then filter by, okay, I only want to look at things owned by me or anyone, not owned by me, or by a specific person. So this works really good if you have things in your Drive from students, but you're having trouble finding those. So if you go to specific person, then you can type in the email address of anyone in our network. So if I wanted to look for Dave's stuff, I could click on his name right here, and that would only show me, in this case, it would show me text documents that are from Dave Strong. So that's pretty useful right there. You can also choose the location. If you have things that are in team drives or different locations within your Drive, you can use that feature as well. Even things in trash or in your start, if you have a lot of things in there, if you know you deleted something and you only want to look in the trash, this is a good box to check for that. Date modified, so you can look at when you might have modified it. So if it was something fairly recent that you're looking for, or if it's old, then you could check that box. And then you can get really granular here as far as what you search for. So in the item name, you can put a search in there. Has words. So this will actually search the text of the document itself. So if you know that you wrote a letter to somebody and you know the name of the person that it was to, and you know that was in the letter, you could type their name in and you would be able to potentially find their document this way. If it was shared with a particular person. So you can do one of these, you can do all of these. So the more of them you do, obviously the less results you're going to have in your search results. But that's just a way that if you cannot find a document, or I want to streamline the process of finding documents of a different type or from a specific person, this would just give you a little bit more streamlined way to go about that.